More than 200 recipes are available on the Deli Shop. Today we will be cooking chili garlic noodles. Here we can choose portion sizes and see the nutritional value. Once you tap on Get Started, the Deli Shop shows a complete list of ingredients with their weight. We can simply use the integrated weighing scale to weigh them and tap on any icon to find how-to videos. We can now start cooking by following step-by-step instructions. We need to close the lid and crown between steps. And we now tap on Start to get cooking. Follow Scrape the Jar instruction to ensure even cooking. Now we'll add vegetables as displayed on the screen. And the Deli Shop will chop and saute all vegetables. Once the vegetables are ready, it will ask you to add sauces and spices. We're adding noodles and water to our base, and a little bit of butter for the yum factor. Place the lid and crown back on the jar. While the Deli Shop cooks for us, we can sit back and relax. Now it's time to plate. Enjoy it hot.